Oh, kia ora koutou. I'm Auntie Anika and I'm feeling very relaxed. I love writing songs and I've written a really cool song about feelings. How are you feeling today? Cool, you're feeling happy, harikoa. Well, here's my song called Feelings Inside.
Are you feeling hungry? You will hear your kite. Are you feeling sad? You are birdie inside. Are you feeling surprised? You are orere. Are you feeling cold? You are makariri. Are you happy, angry, nervous, so shy? It's okay to feel these feelings inside.
Okay, thanks for visiting. I love singing waiata. Let's do it again soon.